Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of UltData app. You will click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of UltData and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.